Okay, so we ran over the Nano last week, and as we posted the video, I understand there's a couple people that aren't believers. There's some skeptics out there. So I stopped what I was doing, I got the very same Nano, and I came out to the parking lot here at Beretta and got my truck. We're gonna run it over on the asphalt, and we're gonna take it inside to the test range and shoot it. All in one shot, so you guys know there's no tricks. Okay, so we ran it over, still in one piece, little asphalt. Let's go inside and shoot it. Mud, asphalt, concrete, guys, it's all the same. The Nano really doesn't care. Combat pistol tough, CCW size. It's a Nano pistol. If you guys have any other questions, let us know. I'm always looking for an excuse to get out of the office and go bang on a gun.